Let's conserve some water. Here we have a toilet cistern, and I'll just remove the lid, and if you look in there you'll see it says water level 9 litres. The idea of the 9 litre water level is that's the optimum level for a good flush, but what we want to do is we want to save some water. So there's two things you can do. Is you can adjust the little screw here on the ball cock, but what will happen is you'll drop the level of the water and you may not get a great flush. But what we're going to do is we're going to use these bottles here. Fill these with water. This one here is a 50 centilitre or 500 millilitres. In American it's 1 pint. Fill these, put them in the cistern, and we have 5 of these, and it'll displace 2.5 litres. It'll still go to the 9 litre mark, but we'll be using 2.5 litres less. With a bucket of water filled taller than the bottle itself, remove the cap, place the bottle into the bucket and fill it right up. Make sure you get all the air out of it. So with the air out, make sure there's no air in the cap. Close the bottle over. And there we have a bottle of water ready to go into the cistern. What we do now is we'll just do the other 4. Now let's put the 5 bottles in. So here we have number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Just make sure that that's tight. Now you can see the level has come up quite considerably. So what we'll do is we're going to flush the toilet, and when it refills you'll see it filling back to the 9 litre water line. And if you want to look in there, you'll see the bottles. And there we have it. 2.5 litres in the bottles, and the water line has come back up to 9 litres. So in effect now we're using 2.5 less. We're saving roughly 25 to 27% of water. Well, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And you can also find us on Facebook, Blogger, Twitter and Instagram.